today.
Okay.
Ian from Korg. This is a sort of a sub-brand, so you're dealing with the Reon stuff, aren't you, in the UK?
That's right. So I've got my Reon hats today and tomorrow.
A Reon t-shirt.
And my Rhian t-shirt as well, I forgot. The hat's a virtual one, you'll have to imagine that. So yeah, Reon is a brand that we've probably spoken about before to your viewers. And first of all, we showed it at Synthfest a couple of years ago, where we were at the process of deciding whether we were going to be distributing it or not.
The drift boxes, right?
Yeah, so we're now at the point where we're distributing and selling on our web stores. But what we're interested in today is these new prototypes, which we have here. So we've got two units. We've got this little guy here, which is the Microsinger LOCI. It's an FM synth, very, very simple. You can see you've got 4 parameters there, which you use to create your sounds. You select your parameters, and then you use these controls to vary them. And then once you've made up a sound, you can quickly recall them by holding down the 2 button presses.
Right,
there's also a little function there called swing, which enables you to modulate whatever parameter from either the LFO or the envelope. So it gives it a little bit of a twist as well and makes it sound a little bit more complicated.
Is it making a noise?
Yep, I'll make it now.
Love the use of the LED strips. They're great, aren't they?
Yeah, so you can do some stuff. If I get so you get a little bit of... Sorry, I'm getting in the way here.
Right, I got it. Is that effects built in, or is that...
no, I'm using a little...
Ah, right, okay, yeah. It's nice.
So as I say, recall your sounds very quickly.
Unusual.
Different sounding, yeah.
Ah, the Volca sample.
You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong.
So, when's this going to be around then?
We don't have a date because, as I say, they're prototypes. So this is very much an opportunity for us to see what people's reactions are, feed it back to the manufacturer, and then take it from there. So I'll mute that, and I'll then come on to our modular system. So this is Wizlink. It's a fully fledged modular system, completely analog, with all of our own modules in there. There are further modules that are in development, including LFOs and things like that, but this has got a slightly different twist to other modular systems. You'll see that there's these 7 segments on each of these patch points. So you can patch in with a cable, with it like any other modular system, but where you see the corresponding number, that represents a virtual patch.
Ah, okay, so it's like you plug the cable in, so that was
Yeah.
like 1 to 1, 2 to...
Yeah.
Okay.
So wherever you see a number apart from here, that represents a connection between all the different connection points. So if so that's recalled another patch.
Ah, so it's like a digital...
So I've now broken all the connections.
And does it recall the knob position?
It doesn't recall the knob position, it's just the patch in.
That's an interesting idea. And how's that? Is there some sort of internal busing that it's
Yeah,
using?
so there's a ribbon cable which connects all the modules together, and that enables the communication between them.
I've often wondered why there hasn't been more of that. I mean,
why there
hasn't been a stand. I mean, I know we've got the Doper bus and the buses that you get in Eurorack, but it feels like there could be a way for even more interconnectivity as well.
Yeah.
So
I mean, the other thing is that this will it will also connect up to a modular system.
Yeah, sure.
So it doesn't have to use our own proprietary power. It will use standard Eurorack power as well. So
you just the ribbon cable just works between units. You don't need
our units, yeah.
Right. So you don't need a special case or anything.
No. So it's your...
So this is so hold on. What have we got in here? We've got
VCO, which has got 3 waveforms. You've got sync. You can modulate the oscillator. You've got VCF, which is a Curtis chip, 24 dB and 12 dB mode.
Right.
You've got a VCA with various gain. You've got a CV link here, which is not currently wired in. And then you've got the EG and an attenuator.
Right, so enough for a decent voice.
Yeah.
Or 2 even, yeah.
And this is a quite typical of Reon. They don't have a EG for the VCF. They use the output from the attenuator to drive it.
Right.
So it's like a slightly different approach to how Korg or maybe other manufacturers do it, but it works really well and it gives it a unique characteristic.
And this is prototype, you say? So
Prototype, yeah.
And when do you think these are going to be around? Or
I don't know exactly, but I do know there is an estimate of about 80 to 120 pounds for each module.
Okay.
And then the FM synth, the Microsinger, that's going to be about 140, 150 quid.
So it sort of fits right into the kind of Korg affordable Volca
Yeah,
kind of world as well.
very
really?
much so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Thank you very much, Ian.
Thank you. You're welcome. Hope you enjoy.